Hey guys, so in this video I am going to be showing you how I made a goddess shelf. First of all, I'm mixing the black, which is for the sides. It's always best to do the sides first, let that set completely before you then add the next layer, otherwise it can cause a exothermic reaction. So here I am just filling in the sides and the crosses on the mould. Then I'm now mixing the colours and glitters I've chosen for the backing of the shelf. I've gone with black pigment and sort of like multicoloured glitter shards. I just think they look really pretty, especially with black. Then you just pour that on after the sides and the crosses are fully cured. So wait 24 hours before you do this next step. I made up some more because it wasn't as full as I'd like it to be. Try not to do too many layers because it will have a reaction. And now I'm going to demould and show you the finished product. Thank you for watching.